Hello everyone. Today we want to check an app that gives us the opportunity to listen to the audio versions of our ebooks. Peradventure, you are busy during the day or you're engaged in some other activities and you are not really able to sit down and read. You can have those books. Once you have them downloaded on your phone, you can have them being read out to you as an audio. So the app we are using for this is called at Voice Aloud Reader. At Voice Aloud Reader. This is the icon here. You will need to click on it and see how it is. So to see it on Google Play Store or iOS and Apple Store for iOS user, after downloading it and putting in your basic information and giving it access to be able to have the document on your phone, then it will bring an icon just like this. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this place here to choose the book you want there. So you check into your phone memories and then select the books you want it to read out for you. I already have some books here, so I can just come here and then pick on it. Okay, let's say we are reading this one. So once I click on it, it will bring this one to import the text from my my phone memory card, then to here. Then I'll open this file. So it will import the books and bring it to the Voice Aloud Reader.
What people are saying.
And it will start reading. So as you can hear,
what people are saying about me in this book. Memorize every.
So it keeps on reading. If you want to, the first thing is if you want to increase the space or reduce the pitch, you press on this one to check it out. So let's say we want to increase it. Let's increase it and see how it will sound. I'm sure we'll already get that because it's too fast, because we increase the rate and the pitch. So we need to come back. Let's say I want to bring it down. Let's say I want to bring it down again too. So let's say it's like this. Okay, and let's play.
If you are someone already in business or have the intention to start one down the road, I recommend you memorize every single.
Okay, can you hear? It's a bit slower here, but I don't really like the sound of the pitch. So let's increase this pitch here.
If you are someone already in business or have the intention to start one down.
So depending on your choice, you can adjust it, or you just come back to this reset TTS where it has already been figured out. So let's read.
If you are someone already in business or have.
Okay, can you see that? Another thing, another function of this icon is that you can use it to change the voice or the language.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. Do you like it?
Okay, we have English version here. We can change our voice manager. Let's use this the system default and return back to where we are reading and listen.
If you are someone already in business or have the intention to start one down the road, I recommend you memorize every single.
So we can depending on our choice. And another thing is that we have the free version of this app and we have the premium version. I'm on the free version, so we can just go back. I think I'm
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay,
do you like it?
You can see the difference. Another thing is to change the language. If you want it to be in Greek, you would click on.
Αυτό είναι ένα παράδειγμα της σύνθεσης ομιλίας στα ελληνικά. Σας αρέσει αυτό?
And it will ask you the type of Greeks you can see there. So depending on your choice. But I don't understand.
Αυτό είναι ένα παράδειγμα της σύνθεσης ομιλίας στα ελληνικά.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English. Do you like it?
We just go to English and we'll use the selected
if you are someone already
voice. So another thing here is this icon here. This icon here will show you the table of contents. These three lines at the left upper side of the left hand side will show you the table of contents in case you want to go to a chapter. Let's say you want to go to chapter 7. Now you see
Selling with sales.
Okay, that's for that. It has taken us to another chapter. So another thing I want us to check here is this icon here. If you want to increase or reduce the font, and you see, let's you see, as we are increasing it, let's reduce it. Can you see? If you want to increase it, let's reduce it so that you see, and let's go back to the text. You can see it's a bit smaller now. So depending on how we want it, and then let's go to these settings. These settings this settings is just like the other icon we checked there, but so you can come to the settings here and change the information based on your choice. But most times it's advisable to select it in whichever. But once you even register, it will ask if you need a male voice or a female voice. Another thing you can do with this app is to open some other documents and read it. Let's say from your mail now, you can just copy, you receive a mail and you want it to be read out loud to you. You can just quickly go to your mail and copy let me go to my mail now and copy a mail, an inbox there. So okay, I'm on my mail page now. Okay, okay, let's say, okay, we'll copy this one. Okay, so we want to read out this one. What we need to do is to highlight and select and copy the mail. So I've copied this mail, and then I'll go back to my voice aloud reader and I'll come here. So these three lines at the upper side of the right hand side, then I'll come to paste tests. Paste test.
15 days strong.
Can you see? So the mail is already here and it will start reading.
15 days strong. Here's a tip. Set a specific, manageable goal, like understanding the words to a song in French.
So you can see, you can use this also. So let's go back to the book we are reading. Let's go back to the book we have been reading. That one is how to sell. Okay, we are back to the
Selling with sales letter.
we are back to the book and we're back to chapter 7. Another option I want you to see here is that you can also go to the next page or next chapter by sliding to the right. Oh, sorry, I've overslide.
If you look at the Nike website, you would see.
If you want to go back to the previous page, you can also slide to the left. Oh, sorry. You can also slide back. Sorry, I'm on recording. I think that's why the sliding is not. But you can slide back to go, or better still, okay, that's picked. Or better
a
still,
lifetime guarantee.
We can't. And if you want to go to the next words, you can just press this. You can see the yellow button. You can see as it's moving. If you want to go to the next one, or you want to go to the previous ones, so these buttons are also useful here. So
I told you to check out this.
So another thing is that while it's on a long page like this, instead of you having to pass through the stress of going down, or going forward,
a lifetime guarantee,
or going forward, you can just scroll down there to where you want it to read from, and then click on the words. So when you click
one
on
of
the
the
word,
best ways.
it will highlight it and start reading. So this middle button is the play and the pause button. And also, if you want to search for your words while on the app, you want to search for your words, maybe you want to easily pick out the words, each words, maybe a key point. You can just type, let's say marketing. Is there any marketing words in this page or on this page? Okay, let's check. Okay, you can see it has highlighted marketing out, and maybe you want to start reading from there. You just click on
the
there,
marketing lesson,
and it will start reading from.
the marketing lesson I
And also, if you want to, this icon, this round here, if you want to reload or you want to click on, let's go to this. If you want to read from right to left reading order, I don't think that's gonna make sense though, but for it also has its own usefulness. Let's go to this clear content. You can see it has really cleared everything. We pick back what we've been reading in our document. Okay, I'll pick back what we've been reading. So, okay, open file. So even if you want it, you see, as we want to pick back what we've been reading, it's, and let me pick again. Okay, you can see it will ask you with image, without image. It will ask you the minimum word spacing. If you want it to increase, let's say 0.2. Okay, and open file. So to give it for people that want it to be spacious, you can see
The
it's
marketing
much
lesson.
more spacious. So that is the app. It's called, once again, it's called at Voice Read Aloud. At Voice Read Aloud. Let me type it so that you can see it here. At Voice Read Aloud. So that is the name of the app. Just download it and enjoy your audio version of your text. Thank you.